Hi, we are a group of potential investors looking at the Boring Company and doing a feasibility analysis. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm Simran Sidhu, and I'll be talking about the strengths. The Boring Company produces zero emissions and works to reduce congestion on the roads. Automotive companies have all been moving towards electric-based vehicles as they are better for the environment. The Boring Company is creating tunnels which are under the roads, avoiding conflict with existing transportation systems. The Las Vegas Convention Center Loop was built in a year and reduced campus walk time from 45 minutes to just 2 minutes. Currently, the Vegas Loop is under construction, which will reduce a 30-minute drive to a 3-minute ride. The Boring Company entered the market at a good time since we have more traffic now. The idea adds value because it solves a problem many individuals have. The Boring Company will be testing these tunnels out in Las Vegas. These Hyperloop networks will be faster than any other alternative and get individuals to their locations faster. While this idea is new, it's something that customers will love and find convenient. It will leave customers satisfied as they will reach their destinations faster. The loop doesn't require customers to change their behavior at all. Utilities won't be affected as the tunnels will be built beneath them. The tunnels won't bother any current transportation system and will be operational under any weather condition.
Hi, my name is Isaac Niku, and I'm going to be looking at the industry-related issues. So to begin, looking at the number of competitors, there are a few direct competitors in the tunneling industry, one of the big ones being the Virgin Hyperloop. But other than that, most of their competition comes from other engineering and construction firms. As for the industry life cycle, it's generally believed to be in the introductory stage. However, there's a caveat as while industry professionals are optimistic about the future of tunneling, others are skeptical and they believe tunneling might never even leave the introduction stage. As for the growth rate of the industry, the growth of the construction industry as a whole is positive, but can be misleading when looking at a company such as the Boring Company, as they rely exclusively on their tunneling business. And tunneling relies heavily on government funding, which is expected to diminish at the conclusion of the pandemic. As for the importance of the industry's products and services, it's of great importance to customers, as growing populations have led to traffic issues and longer commute times, which this issue would theoretically solve. As for the industry operating margins, the construction industry enjoys favorable operating margins, and the Boring Company would also enjoy these operating margins.
Hi, I'm Daphne Bautista, and I will be talking about the target market and customer-related issues. The target market of the Boring Company is not indicated or clear. It can be implied that the company is targeting the government or individuals that are wealthy and have money to dispose. Considering the Boring Company, the transportation and infrastructure industry, it is expensive to get into. There are other alternatives to having tunnels underground. The purchasing power of the consumer is low. There are already existing transportation modes such as highways, subways, roads, and others that the majority of people are currently using. The CEO of the Boring Company is a well-known individual due to his presence in the media, which would make the Boring Company highly marketable. There is a slim chance of potential growth with the target market since the Boring Company has such a niche market. There are other transportation methods that can be used to bring you from point A to point B.
Hi, I'm Peyton Williams, and I will be talking about the founders related issues. So Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, and he became involved in these projects initially after a few years of their initial founding. Via being a major investor. Being more involved financially shows that Musk may have less experience and knowledge about the engineering and automation industry. Based on Musk's entrepreneurial and Twitter presence, he has a lot of ideas that he's able to turn into opportunities. For entrepreneurial skills, Elon Musk has taken risks, pursued his passions, set goals, and was resilient. From his scope of followers and 15 years of experience, he also has a large professional network. This aids in obtaining and maintaining strong tie industry relationships. Musk had visions of his tunnels being located in multiple locations. However, only one location so far has been constructed and is operational. Musk also promised that the tunnel shuttles will be up to 150 kilometers per hour, but they only go 50. In addition to this, the Boring Company has faced a lack of funding, They have bureaucratic procedure issues and environmental concerns. So the Boring Company was initially established in January 2017, and they started their construction 1 month after. So this is a fairly quick turnaround time, and it's been great to launch and grow the venture.
Hi, my name is Simran Pabla, and there are a lot of holes in the financial aspects of the Boring Company. The information on the initial investment is unknown. However, it is estimated to be large, and it has allowed the company to continue to operate. The revenue drivers include cash, profit, assets, growth, and people. The time to break even cannot be calculated as initial investment is vague. There is no exact information on revenue generation, and the date for project completion time is unknown. A direct competitor is Virgin Hyperloop, and the total funding of Hyperloop is $368.4 million. Elon Musk has a very high ability to provide personal funding, as he has one of the highest net worths in the world. He had invested $133 million for operations costs. In conclusion, based on all these factors we have discussed, if we were potential investors, we would choose not to invest in the Boring Company. Thank you.